Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can send money from GCash to PayPal. So let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is link your GCash account to your PayPal account. Open the GCash app, then tap on your profile, which is located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, go to the My Linked Accounts section and select PayPal from the available options. After that, log into your PayPal account to confirm the linking process. Now that your accounts are linked, you'll need to have a balance in your GCash account to transfer funds. If you also have funds in PayPal, you can simply cash in from PayPal to GCash. To do this, open the GCash app, tap on the Cash In button located at the top right corner of your screen. Select Global Banks and Partners from the options, then choose PayPal. If your PayPal account is successfully linked, you'll be prompted to enter the amount you want to transfer from PayPal to GCash. However, if you want to send funds directly from GCash to PayPal, you'll need to use a workaround. Since GCash doesn't support direct transfers to PayPal, you can use third-party services or ask someone else to send the funds to their PayPal and then have them send the money back to you. Alternatively, you can withdraw your funds from GCash to a linked bank account and then transfer the money from that account to your PayPal. And that's it, you are done.